how to get your Roblox apps update. First of all, your Roblox app, type to Roblox app, then show your Roblox get update, and you Google Play Store, then update. Now get update Roblox, then play, not now, update, and Google Play always, and update your Roblox app, and sign in your account, then your account selected, then another update দেখাচ্ছে, and always play your Roblox, then finally your update done, and then your Roblox app clearly supported, and then finally your Roblox app upgraded in your mobile. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe my channel.